Recumbent bikes have surged in popularity as more people look for low-impact yet effective home workouts. Their appeal spans beginners seeking gentle cardio, seniors prioritizing joint-friendly exercise, and fitness enthusiasts aiming to build endurance without straining the back or knees. This guide evaluates the best recumbent bikes based on comfort, build quality, adjustability, resistance levels.
List number 1. Folding exercise bike. Slunt's 5-in-1 foldable stationary bike for home. The Slunt's 5-in-1 foldable stationary bike is a versatile fitness solution for compact spaces. Its 5-in-1 design allows users to perform multiple workout modes, from cycling to arm and leg exercises, making it ideal for a full-body routine. The folding mechanism is seamless, allowing easy storage when not in use, perfect for apartments or small home gyms. The bike features adjustable magnetic resistance with multiple levels, accommodating both beginners and advanced users. The ergonomically designed seat and backrest provide excellent lumbar support, ensuring comfort during long sessions. Additionally, the durable steel frame supports a stable ride, and anti-slip pedals enhance safety. The digital monitor displays essential workout metrics like time, distance, calories burned, and speed, allowing users to track progress efficiently. Overall, Slunt's combines functionality, convenience, and durability, making it a top choice for anyone looking for an all-in-one recumbent exercise bike.
List number 2. Vive Recumbent Exercise Bike. Stationary recumbent exercise. The Vive Recumbent Exercise Bike stands out for its ergonomic design and ease of use. Its contoured seat and adjustable backrest provide exceptional comfort, reducing strain on the lower back and making long workout sessions more enjoyable. The step-through frame ensures easy mounting and dismounting, especially beneficial for seniors or those with limited mobility. Vive's bike offers smooth magnetic resistance, adjustable through a simple dial, allowing for a personalized intensity level. The LCD display tracks vital workout stats such as speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Sturdy construction and anti-slip pedals guarantee safety and stability during intense sessions. With transport wheels for portability, the Vive bike is easy to move around the home. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for any room without compromising on performance. If you want a recumbent bike that balances comfort, reliability, and efficient exercise tracking, the Vive Recumbent Exercise Bike is a strong contender.
List number 3. YYFIIT 3-in-1 exercise bike with luminous digits display. Folding stationary. The YYFIIT 3-in-1 exercise bike is a multifunctional machine offering cycling, arm, and leg workouts, making it perfect for users who want variety in a single piece of equipment. Its foldable design ensures easy storage while maintaining a sturdy frame capable of supporting rigorous exercise routines. The standout feature is the luminous digits display, which clearly shows time, speed, distance, and calories burned even in low light conditions. The magnetic resistance system is smooth and quiet, ensuring a distraction-free workout environment. Adjustable pedals and cushioned seating enhance comfort, while the compact design fits seamlessly into apartments or small spaces. Ideal for both beginners and fitness enthusiasts, the YYFIIT 3-in-1 bike blends functionality with practicality. Its combination of versatility, ergonomic design, and easy storage make it an excellent investment for anyone seeking a home recumbent bike.
List number 4. Exercise bike adjustable magnetic resistance stationary. The adjustable magnetic resistance stationary exercise bike is built for users who value both comfort and performance. Its large, cushioned seat and adjustable backrest provide superior support, allowing longer workout sessions without discomfort. The magnetic resistance system offers smooth, adjustable levels to match any fitness level. This bike features a simple, user-friendly console that tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor progress effectively. Its quiet operation ensures workouts don't disturb others, making it suitable for shared living spaces. Heavy-duty construction and anti-slip pedals ensure stability and safety during use. With a straightforward assembly process and minimal maintenance requirements, this bike is designed for convenience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced exerciser, the adjustable magnetic resistance stationary exercise bike delivers a reliable, comfortable, and efficient home workout experience.
List number 5. Barwing Stationary Exercise Bike for Home Workout. The Barwing Stationary Exercise Bike combines durability, performance, and user comfort in a sleek, home-friendly design. Its ergonomic seat and backrest provide excellent support, while adjustable resistance levels cater to users of all fitness stages. The magnetic resistance system ensures smooth, quiet operation, ideal for home use without disturbing others. The digital display tracks essential metrics like speed, distance, time, and calories burned, offering comprehensive workout feedback. Sturdy construction and anti-slip pedals contribute to a safe and stable riding experience. Barwing's design emphasizes comfort and ease of use, making it suitable for daily workouts or longer fitness routines. Compact yet highly functional, the Barwing Recumbent bike is perfect for those seeking a reliable, comfortable, and efficient home exercise machine. Its combination of ergonomic design, adjustable resistance, and durable build makes it a standout choice for home fitness enthusiasts.